Good morning, everyone. So, last time we studied about the mole concept and we have done some questions. So, in the today's video, we are just going to solve some numerical problems, which is example based in and from your NCRT book. So, let's talk about the first question, which is given it to you, like question number 3.4. Calculate the mass of particular compounds, ठीक है, like when 0.5 mole of N2 gas is given. So last time what the formula we implemented, that is when we are calculating the number of moles equals to given mass over molar mass. Okay, given mass over molar mass. And last time when number of particle was given it to you, that time given numbers and divided by Avogadro number, that formulas we implemented. Now we have to calculate the mass. So what will be the mass of the compound when the number of moles was given it to you? It is 0.5. Okay, and the gas is given it to you here, it is N2 gas. Now let's solve. So as we know the formula of that, the mass equals to molar mass into the number of moles. You know that given mass, okay, like when we are talking about the number of moles, it is small n, okay. Formula was given mass or given mass over molecular mass, okay. So this is given mass and this is molecular mass, okay. Now we have to calculate this m, small m ko we have to calculate it. Then what will be the formula? Then definitely it should be multiplied with number of moles. So now we can put the values here. Now you know that n2 it means when I'm talking about one nitrogen, the mass of one nitrogen, it is 14. When we are talking about n2 gas, it means n two atoms of n, it means the mass should be 28. Okay, so once when we multiply 28 from 0.5, then the answer will come approx 14 gram. This is the answer of that question. Okay, now let's talk about the other question. It is here. Now can read the question very carefully. In this question, 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 number of n atom was given. Okay, now here what has given it to you? It is a numbers. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the numbers, it means it should be divided by Avogadro numbers. Okay, so simply we can solve the question like that. Okay, so this is 3.011 into 10 to the power 23, fine, divided by Avogadro number. Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, then we will multiply this by n atom. It means only 14. Clear? So when once we divide this will be like 1 by 2. Okay, and you can say like 0.5, and when you multiply this 0.5 by you can easily divide it. It's a 7. Okay, so the answer will be a 7 gram in this question. Fine. Now when we are talking about the third number of question, here you can see the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 in number of N2 molecule was given it to you. Same formula you will implement. What you will do is you will write given mass divided by Avogadro number and multiplied by the molecular mass of the particular compound which was given it to you. Now 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 6.022 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and then you will multiply this by 28 gram. ठीक है, तो definitely you will get the answer directly. 6.022 ये तो neglify हो जाएगा, it will be directly cancelled to each other. Fine, so this will be cancelled and you will get the value 28 and your answer will be 28 gram. Okay, so actually the questions are very simple. You just know about how and where and how you will going to manipulate the formula. As I told you, formula is that number of moles equals to given mass over molar mass, and in that case when the number of particle was given it to you, you need to use Avogadro number, which was 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Fine. Okay, now let's talk about the another one example here. Calculate the number of particle in each of the following. So here you can see that 46 gram of Na atom was given it to you. You have to calculate the number of particles. So number of particles, again it means talking about the numbers, Avogadro number. Fine. तो simple है, given mass over molar mass multiplied by Avogadro number. It means 46 divided by 23 and multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and you will get the answer something like that, 12.044 into 10 to the power 23. You can easily get the answer here. Find simple formula, given mass over molar mass into, because you have to calculate the number of particles, so definitely you need to multiply by that Avogadro numbers. Easily you can put the value. ठीक है. अच्छा बेटा, यहाँ पे important thing is that a molecule, if N was written like N, and it means a single atom, and 2 it means a molecule. Fine. Like O it is written, then you will put the value 8 there. Okay. If it is 16 there, or if it is O2, then you will put the value 32 there. Fine. So you should know the molecular mass of a particular one atom, and then you can easily multiply with the how many number of atom was given it to you in the question. So this is actually very important. Now what you have to do, you have to solve all these questions, numerical questions today, and just try to solve these questions. If 1 mole of carbon atom weigh 12 gram, what is the mass of 1 atom of carbon? And the second question is that which has more number of atoms, 100 gram of sodium or 100 gram of iron. ठीक है. तो just try to give me the answer of this question. In the next class, whenever I will provide you the video, we will discuss about the answer of these two questions. So this is your work of today, that you have to write and you have to solve this question and answers, which is given in your NCERT exam plus. ठीक है. So in classwork copy, and whenever your copy submission day will be there, please submit your copies on time.